Okay, well, good morning, everyone. Today is day 12 of the Solidity Bootcamp, and today it's a different lesson. We are just gonna divide this like half an hour and half an hour. The first half of the lesson is gonna be just reviewing the exercise that we've done before, and just helping you guys if you have not submitted yet your challenges to submit them, and to join the Beetle Guild Discord server, because this is where you're gonna get like most of your help from other mentors, other people that are building as well, and you can also chat a bit about projects or different ideas that the people have there. So I think it's very good for you if you can join the server after you have submitted all of your challenges, or all of the challenges that we've done up to this point, right? So yes, like I said, review, just help. You can ask me questions for the first half of the lesson, and then I'm gonna come to you and just help you with your challenges that we've done up to this point. And yeah, and then we're gonna go for the second half of the lesson. We're gonna just introduce to the multi-sig wallets, because that's what we're gonna be building tomorrow. So this is a very long topic, or a long build for us, the multi-sig wallet, and I want to have some more time for this. So I'll introduce today, explain a little bit about the concept, how it works, and then tomorrow we're just gonna build it. Yes, so I don't know. That's kind of like a review today. Yeah. So yes, we've been done all of these challenges from Speedrun Ethereum. We've done an NFT marketplace, a decentralized staking app, the token vendor, if you remember, some randomness with dice game, and then just the core contract from a DEX. And then if you have submitted all of the challenges up to this point, you can join the Beetle Guild server. But if you don't, just ask me, and I will try to help you submit the challenges. You should have this dashboard here with all of your challenges submitted up to challenge 5, right? Mine got accepted already, and if yours hasn't been accepted or you get an error, you can just tell me as well. Okay? So if anyone has any questions, just raise your hand and I will come to you and help. Yes.
The dice game has the problem that they showed.
Okay, yeah.
But I will try it. And the other version that will be accepted.
Cool. I can come to you with the code from the dice game. Dice game. Can you remind me what the issue was?
About the other thing. Yeah, maybe we'll check if I send the right contract. Maybe I sent the
Yes, I remember.
There's the possibility. There's the possibility. I can see what I put there.
I remember you had one test that wasn't passing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that I can see what I submitted. I can see.
Well, you can see the error here, I think, right? Yes.
But don't have the number of the contract.
No, you can. And if you run the yarn test here, you get the same result, or you haven't run the. You have the chain, you have everything?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. You have all of those passing. If everything's passing here, I will try to redeploy to Sepolia again and see that if it solved the issue. Maybe. What it says? Color is not the owner.
Color is not the owner. I tried to do that.
Transfer ownership. That was for the front end address. But that shouldn't matter. You see.
It has to be my wallet.
Oh, you're using that one? Cool. You're using MetaMask for the.
It's not the MetaMask.
No, that's not the MetaMask.
Here I think that is that is from
the interface.
the hard hat.
Yes.
That I had to put here.
Yeah, because I have a different address as well. I just have this.
Doesn't work. The color is not the one.
I don't think it's your contract. Well, this is Rickroll, right?
It's what has here.
Ownable color is not the owner. You have withdraw being only owner. Yes, that should be only owner. Rickroll is public. Oh, sorry, can you go back to the contract? Rickroll, public payable. Yes. Well, we removed the payable because it's not required. Remember?
What?
We removed the payable because it was not required. The payable, but that shouldn't matter.
But can be that?
I mean, you can.
The payable here will do that I have always to pay.
No. It's just that you can pay in this transaction.
But
Oh,
I
yeah,
can pay here.
Dice game, roll the dice. No, this is Rickroll calling the dice game contract. So this is the
who pays is the contract dice.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes. Who pays this transaction is the Rickroll, and then the dice roll is the one that
but
receives.
The payable is the roll to dice. That is in the dice contract.
Yes, roll the dice.
Right.
Yes, as you can see, it's payable, right? So I think your contract is correct. I just think the deployment is failing for some reason. And you didn't modify the dicing
Default
contract.
narrator support. Yeah, that was the only thing that I changed. The other thing. I think that nothing will happen.
Wanna try with my code? If or let me see what else might be missing. Word? Okay.
Testnet.
Yeah, now I just go for testnet.
This is the player contract here.
No, but you're deploying to local, right? Oh no, you have changed the variable to Sequoia. Okay. Yeah, cool. So now you just have to verify and then yarn verify network Sequoia. No? Oh, no, because you have changed, right?
You submitted to if the plus greater than 5.
Yes, I do have that one here. Lower than 6.
Greater than 6.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. You scared that it will fail again? And then you're missing the challenge 4 and 5, right? If you have any trouble with challenge 4 and 5, you can tell me as well.
What you say? The deploy ahead here?
That's a yarn versal. You gotta do the yarn versal.
No, I had here.
Oh yes. So you can just
Yeah, so I had
copy that one. But I think you have to update because you have deployed new contracts now, right? So you gotta do yarn versal again so that the contract definition gets updated and the addresses as well.
True.
Yeah, but it will go to the same URL, I think.
Yeah,
It will deploy to
here, but before change here the contract.
Yeah. Okay.
pero falta algo supongo para poder verlo acá.
Déjame ver el contrato. Ahí está, ¿no? Stake. Ya, ajá. Ahí está. Pero
Do you know where to Ethereum?
it should be around here. Should be around. No, no está. You can ask her. Ya. Entonces deja ver la interfaz. ¿Cómo que se llamaba esto? ¿Cómo era? ¿Cuál es este? Sticker.
Sí, hay que hacer algún cambio también en la interfaz.
Dele aquí porque estás viendo la... Ah, no, pues esto es contratos. Estás en el contrato. Siempre estoy en el contrato. Ah, no, pues estabas en el otro. Ajá. Aquí no hay nada, pues solo el completo. Eso nomás era.
Sí, creo.
Ya. Y de lo del yarn que dijiste, bueno, estás todavía más atrás.
Sí, ya volví de nuevo para igualar. O sea, en la clase anterior ya me perdí un poco y luego me salió un error y ahí quedé. Igual en el que te acuerdas que me dijiste que solo ponga los valores como que menos, me dio un problema en el test. Pero eso ya llegamos ahí.
Sí, porque hasta aquí ya puedes tú unirte. Acá, ajá, hasta el 4, hasta el 2. Ya bueno, hasta aquí ya se te desbloquearía después. Y estos de aquí son en Telegram. Ya dale, ahí me avisas. Of what?
Same error. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, there's no sense.
Shoot with our phones, okay. Should not call that guy wrong. But this, you're not getting this in local, right? You're just getting this here.
Yeah.
And this is testing the contract, so and you have deployed new contracts, so can you try your contract on that you submitted right now on the platform? Let me see that. The Etherscan link, the supported Etherscan link.
Yeah.
I think you have it here. You have it there? Okay. Go to contract. Or you can just refresh the page so that we see the methods. Okay. Go to write contract.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You can try a rig roll. Oh no, I cannot. I forgot that we can just use 5 like a number to see if it works or if it doesn't work. I would send you my code so that you. But it's okay. The code is okay. I don't know. It's the same code.
So strange.
Let me
I
check.
have to submit this on the rigged roll.
Yes, for the next one, yes, you have to. I'll come back to this. Let me just introduce to the next lesson, so that way we can move on. Yeah. What's going on? Okay, so for this next bit, yeah, we're gonna try and understand a little bit more about the next challenge, which is building a multi-signature wallet. And with this Q diagram, we can observe kind of the functionality of the multi-signature wallet, which is a smart contract deployed on a chain. And this smart contract is going to act like intermediary between all these external accounts, right? The multi-signature is especially good for securing funds. basically by validating that every transaction that is made on a multi-signature wallet is approved by a certain amount of users. So when we are constructing a multi-sig, we are defining how many signers we are going to have to, or how many of these signatures are going to be necessary for a transaction to be executed. In this case, we have 3 signers for a multi-sig wallet, and we are requiring that only 2 out of 3 signers approve the transaction so that it gets executed. In this case, like 2 out of 3 signers approve the transaction, it gets executed. If not, it just it won't execute the transaction. This is using a transaction pool. This is the multi-sig wallet has off-chain and an on-chain component. So we're gonna use everything that we've reviewed so far. I have a video over here that I'm gonna try to play because it's very graphical. It's very useful to understand how it works and the pros and cons. So I'm gonna just play it right now. Oh, no audio.
This video, we will explain what multi-signature wallets are. We will also briefly cover their advantages and disadvantages and take a look at some of their use cases. If you are interested in the first to find out when we publish a new video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. For the latest news and reviews of the crypto space, you can also find us on our other YouTube channel, Crypto Robin. What is a multi-signature wallet? The idea of multi-signature wallets appeared in 2012. The first ones being created and implemented a year later for the Bitcoin blockchain. For more on crypto wallets, we recommend you watch our videos on this topic. To define a multi-sig wallet, simply, we could see it as a bank. From a technical point of view, to unlock such a vault, more than one key is required. Therefore, a multi-sig crypto wallet will allow you to choose the number of keys needed to unlock it and set a minimum number of keys that can perform that procedure together. For example, a wallet can be assigned 500 keys to open it, with the minimum required key number being 4. This type of wallet includes additional features besides the classic ones of a crypto wallet, allowing, for example, access to funds and transaction history for all those who own an assigned private key. For advanced security, each user who owns a private key also receives a unique recovery phrase, which they must keep safely to guarantee that the wallet can be accessed, if necessary, by the minimum number of private keys required. Advantages and disadvantages of a multi-signature wallet. The advantages of a multi-sig wallet include the following. Multi-sig wallets make cyber attacks more difficult by increasing the number of potential failure points that hackers encounter throughout this process. A multi-signature wallet helps eliminate the security issues that occur with a single private key mechanism. In addition, it eliminates the dependency on a single device. For example, one of the private keys can be saved on a smartphone, while another can be stored on a desktop, laptop, and so on. Last but not least, using a multi-sig wallet will reduce the dependency on a single user. As in any other situation, there are also disadvantages that come with such a wallet. When there are several private keys, there is no legal custodian of the funds deposited in such a wallet, which is actually shared with several owners of private keys. In the case of an event with a negative impact, it is very difficult to get legal help. The speed of processing transactions suffers because in order to sign them, it is usually necessary to access a device from a third-party source. If it is necessary to recover a multi-sig wallet, this is a rather complicated process because it will be done by importing the recovery phrases on different devices. Multi-signature wallet use cases. Enhanced security. A multi-sig wallet provides users with the benefit of a higher and extra level of security for their funds. If one of the private keys is compromised, the users of the wallet can be assured that funds will be received. Although cyber criminals are constantly developing new methods to steal crypto funds, the built-in technology will easily deter malware or phishing attacks. A hacker will not be able to hijack multiple associated devices at once, and therefore multiple private keys. Decision making. If a business partnership between several people invests in crypto, such a multi-sig wallet will be very useful to control the access to the company's common funds. This way, each member of the partnership will hold the private key Swiftly multi-sig wallet can facilitate these escrow transactions between two parties, and the balance will thus include a third party as an arbiter if something doesn't go as planned. Two-factor authentication. Subscriber keys can be stored in different devices. Multi-sig wallets can be used as a form of two-factor authentication. However, there are also risks in this context, which will increase if the multi-sig address is set to two or two private keys. If one of the keys is lost, access to funds will also be automatically lost. Conclusions. Multi-sig wallets use multiple private keys and therefore multiple signatures to validate transactions and transfer funds, allowing for unanimous decision making and thus providing increased security. If used properly, they allow for many useful applications, which makes crypto assets more attractive to investors, and therefore they are a much safer and more credible alternative to crypto fund management.
Okay. Yeah. I just found that video and it really summarizes all the use cases for multi-signature wallets. Yes. And I want to show you as well one of the real use cases of multi-sig. This is Safe Wallet from Gnosis, and they have a very cool product on multi-sig. So with Safe Wallet, you can create multi-signature wallets right from the interface. Right. For example, here I already have two wallets. One is on the Ethereum and Arbitrum chain, and the other one is on Optimism. I will show you this one. Sorry. So yes, on Safe Wallet you can create multiple safes, and each of these safes is you can set up how many users you want to participate in the transaction signing, right? So for example, here we can create a new transaction, and this new transaction can be about sending tokens or swapping tokens. We can try sending tokens. Yes, we can add an address, and then let me just grab another address. And then an amount, of course. And then this is going to have all the details of the transaction, and this is going to be deployed to a transaction pool, and then every other user of the multi-sig wallet will be able to see this transaction, like an attempt to do this transaction, and they will approve or reject this request, right? And if the number of approvals is met, then the transaction will execute. So I guess you're already thinking about some really useful use cases after the video. One of these is for obvious reasons, just securing the tokens. For example, we use this one for our team as the owner of some of the contracts, and thus, if these contracts have funds, for example, if in a DEX this contract is full with funds, none of us can arbitrarily get the funds out of the contract, but it requires like 3 out of 5 of us approve this transaction so that the funds are moved. I hope this is clear enough. And
people use it like one person uses it to protect all their funds and putting like multiple.
Yes, you can create one of the safes with just let's say many of the addresses that you have here. It is not as safe because all of these addresses are coming from the same mnemonic. Yes, like the same seed phrase. Yes, you can also do that, and that's like many people use that for securing just securing the funds. Of course, it adds some complexity on the approving part, because you're gonna, for every transaction that you make, you're gonna have to just take your cold wallet out and take your other wallet out and approve this transaction from every one of your wallets, right? So it adds complexity, but it's very, very safe for your funds if you're concerned about that. It is also very commonly used on DAOs because they manage like a treasury of funds, and thus for the people to trust the DAOs, the DAO transactions, they usually have a multi-sig so that no transaction is executed if there's not an agreement, right? This is just for agreement purposes and governance. Also very common. And let me see if I can show you something else. Yes. No, it's not this one, sorry. This is how multi-sig wallet contract looks like, and it's not that long. It has just a couple of very key functions, like the depositing, the signatures. Like I said, there's on-chain component here, which is verifying the signatures and encoding signatures, and there's the on-chain component, the one here in the contract, and there's an off-chain component that is just getting transaction data, signing this transaction data, and then allowing everyone else to see their transaction data. And then when they are ready to approve or reject the transactions, this is going to go on-chain. I also have a diagram here of what we're going to build tomorrow. I'm going to try to explain it quickly. And basically, for tomorrow, we're going to have a 2 out of 3 threshold approval multi-signature wallet. So we're going to have 3 owners, and the transactions are going to execute only if 2 out of the 3 owners approve the transactions. So as you can see, there's this off-chain signing process here, just adding transactions to the pool, off-chain, everything off-chain on front end. And every one of these users are going to just sign a or one of these users are going to create the transaction, and then the other ones are just going to see the transactions and sign them as well if they approve or reject. And then this is submitted to the wallet.sol contract, right? Here's the on-chain execution. The contract is going to verify all the signatures, and if 2 out of 3 are approved, then it checks if the threshold is met, and then it's going to execute the transaction on the EVM, right? And it's going to return a result. Yes, I think that's easier to see than just on code, right? And I hope that we can finish tomorrow in an hour. I guess so, because I have already introduced to the concepts of multi-signature. So yes, I'm gonna send everything here on the Discord. Okay. Let me see if I have something else. I don't think so. Oh yes, for this you're gonna need all the let me see all the challenges submitted, but since I already have access to the challenge, I'm gonna just send it. Yes, I have the access to this README. I'm gonna send it to the Discord as well so that you can follow me tomorrow. If you wanna have a look, you can also do that as well, so that you're prepared for tomorrow. And there's like a little reminder here that you could check on the signing transactions, because we already did this yesterday, but it's going to be important for today to review how the transaction signatures work, how to recover a user address from a signature, and everything's going to be in this repo. I'm also going to try to explain this tomorrow for the first 5 minutes, I guess, or 10 minutes. And then we're going to jump straight to building the multi-signature wallet. Okay, and something else that I forgot to mention is that if you have all of your challenges ready in here, you can just click on this join build guild button, and you're going to join their server and their Telegram channel. Let's see. Okay, I'm a little bit lost, but I know they have like a Telegram group, and you're gonna be able to talk with every builder on Build Guild, and this is gonna be very useful for you. So be sure to join here, and yes, I will also share the link if you have already joined. Okay, thank you. I will share everything now in the Discord. The next challenge is the previous to the last one. Yes, so 2 more to go. Yes.
Anderson, can you Anderson, can you stop the recording? Yes, thank you.